and the domino effect of daily mistakes, from frustration to fallout. We all make mistakes, it's a part of being human. But what happens when those small missteps become a daily occurrence? The consequences can ripple outward, impacting not just our personal satisfaction but also our professional image, team dynamics, and even a company's reputation. Let's explore the domino effect of daily mistakes. Frustration and missed opportunities. Repeated mistakes can lead to a cycle of frustration. We get discouraged, our confidence dips, and we may miss opportunities to learn and grow. This can negatively impact our overall well-being and motivation. Professional image. Tarnish. A string of errors at work can erode our professional image. Colleagues may start to question our competence and reliability. This can hinder our ability to advance in our careers and limit the trust we build with clients or partners. Company image collateral damage. When employees consistently make mistakes, it can reflect poorly on the company as a whole. Clients may perceive a lack of attention to detail or quality control, leading to damaged brand reputation and lost opportunities. Team dynamics on the rocks. Constant mistakes can disrupt team dynamics. Frustration with colleagues' errors can breed resentment and hinder collaboration. This can make it difficult to achieve common goals and create a less positive work environment. Unprofessional human interactions. Mistakes can also spill over into how we interact with others. Repeated errors can lead to impatience, finger-pointing, and a defensive attitude. This unprofessional behavior can damage relationships with colleagues, clients, and even friends and family.